Hey guys, what's up? This is Maïlys, and for my third video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. So a lot of people are like, wow, how did you do that? That hairdo looks amazing. I'm sure it took you a super long time. Actually, it's super quick. It's called the, it's like a tie back but with twists instead of braids. You can do it with braids as well. I just prefer twists. I think it looks better on me. And so let's get to it. For this hairdo, all you need is, well, a head of hair. You're going to need a hair elastic. It can be small. I've got this medium one because it's just on me right now. And you're going to need a hairbrush. So my hair is already brushed, but what you're going to want to do is to take two sections of hair, like from up here by your part, just take a section like that. I'm going to leave out hair because I think it looks nicer that way. Just like, you know, a little strand that's a bit too big. So you take it like this. Then to do a twist, you take the two strands, rotate them towards your face, and then twist them around each other away from your face. So you just keep doing that all the way down, towards your face together, away from your face, twist around. Towards your face together, away from your face, twist around. So just keep doing that the whole way down. Done, it should be like this. Make sure that you can reach to your chin with your braid. Like reach around to your chin. So this one's good. So I just put it in my mouth and then do the same with the other side. Only with this you want to twist away from your face and then towards your face to twist them together. That side and check that it can reach your chin. You're going to put both strands over your chin like this, as if you're going to make yourself a beard. If you're not, you wrap the elastic around, twist it, and therefore attach the two strands. So once you're like this, you're just going to flip it. There we go. Detach the hairs that are mixed up. And make sure that you have your strands of hair sticking out. Maybe brush a bit behind like this, with your fingers or whatever. And there you have it. I hope you liked this video, and please make sure to like it and comment and subscribe if you can. I still don't know if you can, so thank you for watching, and see you next time.